Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Welcome to your new haven in St. Catherine, a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom gem that seamlessly combines comfort and security. This house sits on 0.16 acres of land. Inside, you will find a spacious living room, a welcoming dining room, and a modern kitchen, offering a perfect setting for family life. Adjacent veranda invites you to enjoy the tranquil surroundings. This property goes beyond the ordinary with a two-car, shuttered garage, motorized gate entry, and ample parking space, ensuring your vehicles are well accommodated. The garden area features an abundance of fruit trees, including coconut, breadfruit, ackee, papaya, June plum, and lime. With an 8,000-gallon water tank to keep your landscaping lush, the property is fully walled and equipped with CC cameras for your security and peace of mind. Inside, you will discover the convenience of in-unit laundry, an office area, and even a gym. Its exceptional location, just 1 minute from the toll road, provides quick access to Kingston, making this property the ideal blend. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. Asking price for this house is US 172,000 or Jamaican $26.4 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.